Next time you want to make something healthy, but you want it to taste incredible, try making this high-protein Mediterranean chicken and rice skillet. It's so easy to make and packs 40 grams of protein a serving. We're going to start by marinating chicken thighs with lots of fresh basil, garlic, lemon juice, and tomato paste, and mix it in really well. Let it sit, then pop it into your oven. I use my high-protein, low-carb Kaizen rice here, but you can use any rice that you prefer. I also made a simple, crunchy Mediterranean salad with veggies, feta cheese, and sumac. Add it to the skillet, crown it with Greek yogurt, and enjoy. Full recipes in the caption. Check it out.